Places, everyone.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you.
We are all in our places,
with bright shiny faces, and in Mr. Warner's good graces.
Microsoft Sam's all aces. A timeliness no one erases. What's with all the poetry?
A prose is a prose.
A prose, by any other name, would sound as sweet. Mr. Sweet Nothings to me, Dave.
After this video, Abby, I promise.
we have promises to keep.
And miles to go before we sleep.
If I may continue.
Go ahead, Sam. Nobody's stopping you.
Roll camera. Cue the shield.
Holy shnikes. Did you see that, Mary?
That's the first time I've seen the WB shield explode. And it blew some of the letters on the captions away.
You're fired.
Fired. Fired.
Yes, fired. Blowing up the shield was the last straw.
I didn't blow up the WB shield, Sam.
Don't you dare lie to me. Out you go.
Attention. Paging Microsoft Sam. Paging Microsoft Sam.
This is Microsoft Sam.
This is Mr. Warner. Report to my office on the double. And that's an order.
Yes, here. Asswipe.
Shut up and get in here right now. Look. An apple.
Don't eat it, Jimmy. It's full of worms.
And you just ate one of those apples.
You mean there were worms in that apple? Sick. Gross. Ew. Ew. Eee.
Beep.
Yes, Dave. Beep, beep, beep.
Two of them, and it would be beep beep.
Roadrunner, the coyote's after you.
Roadrunner, if he catches you, you're through.
Kmart, the store following J-Mart.
And preceding L-Mart. Don't you know that Sam doesn't like having commercial plugs in a Looney Tune?
He's not here, Anna. He's in Mr. Warner's office right now.
What did Sam do wrong now?
Mr. Warner's upset at Sam firing Scotty again.
I hope he's not too rough on him.
Pepsi Cola hits the spot. I'd rather have Coca-Cola.
Now cut that out!
Take it easy, Dave. You're starting to act like Sam.
Which reminds me, where is he?
He's still in Mr. Warner's office.
Scotty, you're back. We thought Sam fired you.
Yeah, but when Mr. Warner called Sam into his office, I called a lawyer and got him to rescind Scotty's firing and bring him back.
Thanks, Dave. Mobile. The oil that moves.
I thought it was cooking oil. I used it in the dressing for the salad that Abby had for dinner last night.
Don't remind me, Guy. Ew. Ew.
Has anybody seen Sam lately? Sam!
What happened to you, Sam?
Mr. Warner nailed me to the WB shield.
Holy shnikes, Sam. Are you alright?
I thought I fired you, Scotty. What are you doing back here?
I rescinded his firing and brought him back.
You had it coming for kicking me out of here one too many times, Sam.
If I had my strength back, I'd have you nailed to this shield. Now will you please free me?
Keep cool, Sam.
We'll have you freed in a jiffy.
Google. There's a guide here on YouTube.
Thanks for freeing me, but Scotty, may I ask you a question?
Go ahead, Sam.
Why the hell did you come back here anyway?
Because I rescinded Scotty's firing and rehired him. That's why. Swat, 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 ruffle, 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 ruffle.
Take it easy, Sam. Remember who's in charge here. Remain calm. Oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, damn, crap, Dave Madsen, I don't care if this is your fucking video, and I don't give a shit about what Mr. Warner did to me, it's my life, and I'm getting rid of that lawyer, because he's a shyster, you hear me, shyster.
Supplies, Dave Madsen and friends.
You didn't expect to see us back here again, did you?
The devil and she-devil? Why, we banned them from here. What are they doing back?
For your information, Dave, the ban on us from appearing in your videos has been rescinded.
Rescinded? What kind of shyster would pull that crazy stunt?
We're only here because this shyster challenged the ban in court.
And he succeeded in inserting an emergency clause stipulating that if Sam or anyone else throw any more tantrums, the ban would be null and void.
And when we heard Sam throwing a tantrum over the issue of Scotty's employment here, it cancelled the ban.
Take it easy, Dave. The legal process is a complicated one. Stay cool. Uh-oh. Tantrum is coming on.
No, damn it, Microsoft Sam, I know this is all you're doing. Tell that shyster lawyer who rescinded the ban on the devil and she-devil coming back here that he's fired. You hear me? You ask right, that's right.
Are you alright, Dave?
I'm mad at that shyster lawyer who allowed the devil and she-devil to come back here, that's all.
If they do anything to you, they will feel my wrath. Dave throws a tantrum over our being allowed to return here and fires his lawyer.
That's music to our ears. Now we can do to them whatever we want to do.
Shall we let them have it?
Let's do it. Bombs away.
Gun. Not again. You.
That's what got you two banned from here.
Why can't that ban be permanent? I second that sentiment. Eat it.
And I'm appealing the rescinding of that ban. Ew.
This act is disgraceful.
How dare you relieve yourselves in my presence? Take that. Persons. Foiled again.
Where is that shyster lawyer? We want to hire him to prevent the ban from being reinstated. You're all cleaned up now and you may resume your video.
Thank God.
You're welcome. Oh, Seymour.
Look, Michelle. Do you see what I see?
They got the Looney Tunes intro right for once.
We did it.
Oh, it was nothing. What do you mean nothing?
Another series of bloopers and we finally get it right.
After all we've been through, we deserve a happy ending.
This calls for a celebration. Let's all have a party.
Congratulations. You've gotten the Looney Tunes intro right for once.
Thank you, Mr. Warner.
It's nice to get something right for a change.
I agree.
I've got to leave on a big business trip, but you guys can party till the cows come home.
Thank you, Mr. Warner.
Let's all go out to celebrate getting the Looney Tunes intro right.
Where are we going, Dave?
Where else? Shame on you!
Oh, coccyx.